But the setting spray is giving me a struggle, honey, because let's try it one more time. Okay. Hey, I need you. Bro.
All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. You see all these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Oh, girl, I wanna order.
So I wanted to show y'all how I do like a simple quick beat. If you haven't watched my short where I showed you how I achieved a look with just 5 steps, go watch it in my shorts. Okay, so yeah, I woke up to lay my hair and now I'm gonna take the band off. Let's see if it's laid. Ooh. Okay. It's giving lace wear. Yeah, you see that? Yes. Good. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna start with my brows. I don't do much with my brows. I just glue them down and then I shape it. So let's go.
I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say focus on me, 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 focus on me. All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Up, up, up. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you sing. Focus on me, 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 focus on me. All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. You see all these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Oh girl, I wanna order you tonight. Every time you walk in the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life, I swear. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say focus on me, 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 focus on me. We in this party, put your body on me. Girl, I want you to know the things I wanna do to you. You're a bad girl, you know I need that girl. Girl, I know I'm feeling you, but When you touch it, when you rock it, you're so spiritual. When you rock it, I reverse it, and I need it all. Isn't me? I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me.
Hey, Charlie, why? Ignoring. Eh? What is it now? I'm blending shisha muna. Hey, what is this? Guys, this setting powder is the best. Like, do you see how it blends into the skin? Exactly like that. Like, y'all better go get one of those. Huda Beauty, girl. I love your setting powder, but the setting spray is giving me a struggle, honey, because let's try it one more time. Okay. Hey, I need you. Bro. Hey. I'll also go in with this. It's almost done. I need to restart. Oh, come on. Easy peasy. This is good, but it's such a struggle.
Focus on me. All these sexy kids in the club. All these sexy kids in the club. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say